Today's video is about experts' top 5 work-from-home tips with kids during pandemic. Because of the coronavirus, many people are working remotely for the first time. Here's how to stay productive. First tip. Communicate a family plan. If you don't make the time to plan for how you will address the myriad of tasks coming your way, you will inevitably find yourself failing to meet expectations at work or working around the clock. Second tip. Set or create a schedule. List down things that you have to accomplish throughout the week, then start to plot them by day. Identify priorities. It is recommended that you do this with your spouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and families. Especially, we'd love to see you here. Visit us now. Now for our third tip. Set up workstation. Don't get caught feeling unmotivated or unproductive because of your at-home workstation setup. Learn some simple layouts and ideas to keep you productive all day. Fourth tip. Separate mom's business from job. If you have your corporate head on, don't do mom stuff. It's one thing to feed your child and put them to sleep for nap time, but it's another to play with them. Maybe your child can watch that movie alone while you work someplace near where you can still see them. And the last tip. Take breaks. Concentration can falter in as little as 20 minutes. It is recommended to use the 20-20-20 rule. Work for 20 minutes, break for 20 seconds, then while breaking, look 20 feet away to reset your focus and attention span. Once again, here's our top 5 expert tips working from home with kids during pandemic. Communicate a family plan. Set or create a schedule. Set up workstation. Separate mom's business from job and take breaks. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it to everyone you know. I know you want to know more. Visit us in this website. We'll be waiting for you. Thank you for watching and we'll continue to create useful content for all of you. See you on our next video.
Yeah.